She's coming, you just can't see her. There she is. Me next! Can I get on next, Kaylee?
Heavy for you.
No, that's mean. This is totally bad for my lungs. Oh my gosh. Look at all this snow, man. It's still snowing. Holy crap, this is like Virginia. Ew. Okay. Jeez. I'm like shin deep in it, man. Oh. And this is for the water, isn't it? How's that? Oh well. If it's good in the water, it's good out here. Okay, it is cold. If you hadn't noticed, you probably hadn't noticed since you're a camera. And I'm talking to myself. Yes, I'm talking to myself.
Is this fun, Kaylee?
Probably gonna put this on YouTube though, so that I won't seem like I'm talking to myself. It seem like I'm talking to you guys.
Is it better?
This is the Virginia Frost era.
You want me to run?
We're going through the blizzard.
I'll try.
Snowstorm that everyone said should have been over last night, so hopefully this means no school tomorrow too, because I have an odd day tomorrow, and that's the government. Don't want to be in there. And keyboarding. Ew. Woo! All this snow. It's insane. Guys, seriously. You should be here right now. You shouldn't be inside. You should be out here enjoying the snow. Freezing your butt off. When I could be inside on my space or something. Oh well. I'm with my family. That's what matters the most. Okay. I can do this. Mark's out there snow shoveling and probably, yeah, he's talking to the neighbor. Probably about the snow. Oh, ooh, sidewalk. Hey Mark, I made a video of Kaylee going down the hill.
I know, your wife, she told me last night you parked here. Yeah. My truck slid right down the hill. That's what she said. I was like,
Okay, what?
well, yeah. That's why I can get out of this with them.
It's your turn.
To pull her?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think my lungs are closing up.
Stuck in ice.
Okay.
It's all
I'll do it.
Right there, all flush.